welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophie J. Excuse me looking barefaced as ever, but today I'm showing you how I take off my makeup with this new black soap that I picked up. It is from a black owned business. Well, I bought it from a black owned business. And this black soap that I picked up is from a company called Ahlam Reves. I picked this up for about $10, and the coolest part about this is the consistency. I've never seen black soap with this kind of consistency. I'm used to it being bar or liquid, so I'm really interested for you guys to see how I managed to take off my makeup using this. This product does state that the best results happen if you leave on the consistency for 5 minutes prior to washing off. So let's get into this video. But before we go any further in this video, you guys know what to do. I need you to hit that big red shiny button so you don't miss anything to do with skincare, beauty, these wigs, or these antics. So hit that red button, girls, so we can get this good thing going. Okay. Give this product an 8. Yeah, I had a little bit of trouble getting my liquid lipstick off, but it is a matte, and you guys know how hard it is to get those off. Yes, I did have a little bit of product at my hairline, but I'm gonna blame myself for that. I probably didn't apply it as well as I could have at that area, but you guys, my face does not feel dry or matte or overly cracked or irritated, so I'm very happy about this. And that is all, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.